Hey guys, it's another quick video on how to manage disk space. Okay, so most of the times, as you see, users will have a lot of files, and at one fine day it will increase the space, and then sometimes you will get an alert or notification like it has crossed 90% of this on this location, and you have to find it and you have to delete it. Yes, we do have automation process and everything, but before that you should understand how to analyze using some commands. Okay, so there is some command called df and du. I mean df and du. So df is nothing but disk free space. I mean, you can see so you can see how much free space is there. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, so I'll just show you real quick. So if your team lead or if someone is asking, okay Samir, can you please check what is the free space? So I'll just type df, that's it. So if you type df, it will tell you how many things, if you see the fourth column here, available. So these are all in bytes. So if you want to see in a human readable, df-h, so it will tell you 6.5 GB is free, this one is free, this one is free, and also usage, it shows only 90% it's used. Okay, so this is a very handy command. If in case if you see 95% is used here, then it's really a problem. Then you need to go to this location, you need to find out which file what needs to be resolved. So this is a very easy command we can use. Just always remember df-h. So the next command is du. So what do you mean by du? Du is nothing but disk usage. Okay, how much is being used. So for example, now I'm going to create one disk tutorial. Okay, ls-l. So cd disk tutorial, and I'm going to get my favorite libc.html. Okay, right click, copy link. Okay, enter. Now it is downloaded here. ls-l. Okay, now ls-lh, if you put, obviously it says 5.4 MB. Okay, now I'm just going back to the previous location. So if we do present working directory, this is my home directory. Yeah, inside this ls-l, so I have only one directory. Okay, now in this directory I want to see if you have multiple directories or something. So du dot, so I want to see the usage, disk usage in the current location. If you hit enter, now it says my disk tutorial is occupying some space here. Okay, and it's give you the total of this. Okay, now the next thing is, if you see say for example du slash home, so it will tell you inside home this user, and inside this file it has some 4 bytes. Inside this it has some bytes. Inside this it has some bytes. Okay, here it shows permission denied. Okay, so I'll just use sudo du slash home. Okay, now we got something. Then at the end it will show you the total. Okay, and if you really want to see only the total, what you can do is you can always try du -s and then slash home slash star. Okay, I'll just use sudo, so it will just give you only the total of this. Okay, so if you see the difference of for this command and difference of this command, what it does is it will just give you the point blank. It will just give you what are the files, the total file size for this under this user, and the total file under this user. That's it. So df, the previous one, it's very straightforward, and du, this is also very straightforward. It will tell you how much it has been used, and -s, it's very useful. It's a nice argument to see the total file size occupied. Yeah, and the next one is just a quick command. Okay, so if you want to see find, there is a command called find. I want to see something in this location slash home. Okay, and then if you want to see hyphen size is an argument, and then I want to see plus 2048, any file size, okay, which is exceeding more than 2048, which is nothing but 1 MB. Okay, 2048 KB, just print it here. Okay, now using sudo, okay, see this file size libc.html. if I put libc cd disk tutorial, okay, I'll just do like this, ls minus l disk tutorial libc.html, see ls minus lh. So this is exceeding 2048 means 1 MB. Okay, so it's exceeding 1 MB, 5.4 MB. So this is exceeding it. Okay, now if you want to if you put minus here, enter, so whichever is less than 1 MB, all those files are coming. So this will be very helpful if you want to see the file size which is more than 10 MB or 5 MB or 20 MB. You can always use which command, find, and you have to mention which path you are searching. Okay, if you put slash, it means it will search the entire directory. Or if you want to search home, and if you want to search one particular user, you can type here ec2-user, and then you have to add the size argument here. Then you need to add plus plus 2048. This is 1 MB. If you want to add more than 8 MB or something, then you have to type 8000 based on your calculation. Then just type hyphen print, or you don't need to print at all, you just type hit enter, it will tell you, okay, which is less than 4 MB. 8000 is 4 MB, yeah, correct. Okay, so this is very useful. The find command will always be helpful when you want I mean, there are various other options also in find command, but this is good when you're working with the disk space. Okay, thank you.